Can you play Roblox on Nintendo Switch? Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about whether it is possible to play Roblox on Nintendo Switch or not. So in order to play Roblox on Nintendo Switch, it is possible, but through unreliable options. So some players try these, but they are not recommended, which is that they use the cloud gaming. Tech-savvy users might try using the Switch hidden web browser to access the cloud gaming platforms. It is only for advanced users, and this is unstable. It breaks the Nintendo rules and could risk your account. So Roblox is not available on the Nintendo eShop, and you can't directly download Roblox to your Switch. There are no official announcements about the Switch version, but we hope for a future release. Roblox is on Xbox and PlayStation, so a Switch version is possible. Keep an eye on official Roblox and Nintendo news. Until it comes to Switch, you can play on PC or laptop, Windows or Mac, smartphone or tablet, Xbox One or Xbox Series X or S, and PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. So that's it for the video. I hope you found this informative. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.